Florida is finished. Okay, I'm going to hanapin natin yung Fatty Tuna restaurant. Kung kabila, safe na magkakit dito. So ayun, malalobat na itong camera. So good luck. Meron kasi yung fireworks eh, hindi ko makuha ngayon. So ayun, ito yung Osaka Station. Tumigil kami dyan before 16. So ayun, saan pa po ito, no? I have no idea kung ano yun. Mabuti na lang nakuha yung attention ko dun sa mga kumukuha ng camera. Saan pa po ito? Otherwise maliligaw ako pag dumiretso. Anyway, yeah, nightlife dito. Kaya kasi wait, so when you aga nagsara yung Sanrio, so there's no point of going there. Teka, wait, Chotomate. Why Family Mart? Okay, we have to cross. Grabe naman ang taas. Okay, it's very high, so good luck. Stairs is very high. Can we get a picture of the fireworks? That I don't know. We'll get to it as soon as we get a good spot. Can I get a good spot here? A good shot. Ah, yeah. Ah, finished. Done. Mahirap na. Hotel Hankyu. Wait. Is this the right building? My goodness. Nightlife. Chotomate. Hankyu Department Store. Hankyu Department Store. Okay. Yeah. This is the road. Is there a way going there? No? namamalimos dito ang isa. So how do we cross? We go down? Ah, daming people, oh. Wow! Skies are bright. Mahulog. Ah, look at those trains, very fast. So we should have taken that route, right? I have no idea where's where. Okay, let's go. Really up close. Explore natin department store, diba? So there should be no issue. There shouldn't be. How do we get down from here? Well, isa akong ano, Luigi. Pwede kong bumaba. Diyan. Ano, ground floor. Tapos, saka ka tumawid. Pero pwede naman dito kung gusto mo. Tingin mo. May idea ka? Galing. Ah, ito oh. Bandai. Wow. Daming people oh. Grabe oh. Nice. I can smell the curry here from here. Strong winds. Ay na po, ay. Take the elevator. We need to get down. Oh, disabled. Oh shit. That's for the disabled people. We take the escalator. Sorry, first time. So ayun, ito yung station natin, and we're going down. Going down, all the way down. Hey. Right direction, which is one direction. Okay, this way. Nakita ko ano, big shots. Sai Sukiya. Sukiya competitor. Sukiya competitor. May sigarilyo dito. Bro. May sigarilyo. Grabe. Sigarilyo. Hopefully, wala ditong mga, alam mo na, mga masamang elemento. Pero in case meron, dali lang naman bugbugin mo. Bugbugin natin pagkatapos. Okay. Okay. So ayun. Ay, pasa. Pasa. So we have to look for ito yung Yodobashi Umeda. Yodobashi Umeda. Green light. It's time. We are in the right direction. Nice. So they have discipline. Nice discipline. May nang tamang discipline. Look at the traffic here on Saturdays. Today is August 27, 2022. So the traffic here is like this. This is the traffic situation here in Osaka Umeda. And I'm not sure which part of Umeda this is. Maybe Kitaward? I don't know. Kitaward. Whatever. So here they have some free Fanta bottles right over here, ready to be drink. Not sure those bottles are those. You see, we are thankful we have guides here, traffic guides, so we can cross safely without any injuries. Ano kaya yung sinasabi niya? Hindi ko maintindihan. Hanap natin yung Harukoma Honten. Alright, let's go. Okay. 1 hour? Are you sure? Harukoma Honten. That is some real serious distance. 1 hour from here. Okay, we have mini mart here. Mini mart. Are you serious? Remove next stop. Okay. Oh shit, 1 hour when I arrived. So what do we have here? They're wearing some traditional kimono, really interesting. So that is some serious fashion right over there. Like it, huh? Very nice. So here in Osaka, nightlife is nice. Very good. So we are in the right direction. Tonkatsu. Wow. Wow, Wendy's. Look, they have Wendy's. How cute. This is Hotel Hankyu. Hotel Hankyu. Remember this. Remember this day. Remember this night. Oh, there's some karaoke. They have karaoke. Big big karaoke rooms. San Bankai. Fireworks. Okay, gotcha. Fireworks committee. We have fireworks going on.